a training video on how to adjust time frames on a variable speed pump. Open up the panel, go into menu, gonna go down to programs, select. We're going to look at program 1 by pressing select. This is on a schedule. As we scroll down, it's going to tell us what the schedule is. It's a speed at 2900 RPM, so this is our high speed. It's starting at 3 a.m. It's stopping at 8 a.m. So let's add one more hour. We're going to press select. We're going to move our cursor over, add an hour. Then we're going to press, since it's saying save, question mark, yes, I want to save. So now program 1, our high speed, starting at 3 a.m., running at 2900 RPM. It's on a schedule, ending at 9 a.m. Start 3 a.m., stop 9 a.m. Now we're going to go back. I'm going to go down to get to program 2, press select. This is also a schedule. So now we're going to press down to see what kind of schedule it is. This is also a high speed. This is running from 7 p.m., turning off at 12 a.m. I'm going to come back up, press select. We're going to go over, make this go until 1 a.m., and we're going to hit save. So we now have 2 cycles running on high speed. 2900 RPM, start time 7 p.m., stop time is now 1 a.m. and we're going to go back. I'm going to look at these other schedules real quick. Program 3, manual, good, go back. Program 4, select, manual, go back. Program 5, all I'm doing is looking to see if there's any other schedules in here. That's disabled, perfect. Program 6, select, that's disabled. And program 7, select, that's disabled. And program 8, disabled, perfect. So now I'm going to go back. That's going to lock everything into place. Now once you've reprogrammed your speeds, where this says stopped, we need to hit start stop. So it'll start running our schedule again. And you're all set.